Hi, it's Ridge again. This time chasing student driver with the VW Beetle. I'm using the stock Corolla. Both have a history of rally pedigree, but with these stock counterparts we'll see how it goes. Clearly one has a better power delivery than the other. The Corolla was a little bit pathetic off of line, but hopefully it can keep up in these corners. The Beetle, we weren't able to find a way to delete traction control without pulling out any crazy fuses, which would also turn off the lights. Through the bump. Ouch. That actually took my bumper off of its clippings on the left hand there. A lot of this, just being able to use this car as a lantern helps so much as a non-local. Able to kind of predict the trajectory of where I want to go. This Corolla handled like a dream. I never expected it to be able to rotate so beautifully, and all you gotta do is just hold the traction control button for 10 seconds about, and it turns VSC off. I think I do also have him in the braking. I've driven his Beetle once or twice, and that thing, it gets a very hard pedal at a certain point. Not now, definitely. Hopefully within 1 minute 20 seconds. Going through these gutter drops, it's always wondering what's a good one to go through, because you do scrub speed, but you're able to take a tighter line. Something I'm still learning with these different platforms. I'm sure, as you guys have noticed, I never really take one platform and be able to learn it throughout a week. It's always something different every night. Through staging, obviously very important. Don't want to look like a slow scrub, and I shouldn't have lifted there. There is still a little bit of an exit that I could have done. Now, that's the completion of the technical portion. Now we're going into the very high speed downhill. Starting here, you just gotta gun it, and there's going to be some bumps, undulations that'll hurt a car with very stiff suspension, but in these cases, just floor it for stock. Don't get intimidated by this right turn, keep going, and then hard brake. Make sure that your brakes still work at this point, which they do. That exit you can take as long as you've predicted there's no oncoming. And all this is such a difficult section to learn. The only way to really do this is, because you can't see the exit, just slowly keep increasing your entry speed until you find the optimum amount. Just spam downhill, really. I get the luxury of, again, following his line. Maybe taking a faster entry speed to account for the fact that traction control does slow him down a little bit more, even if he has the wider tires. And across the line, there we go. This definitely won't be the last time that you see a run on this road, and thank you again for joining. I appreciate it. Till next time, love your day.